So to edit an image, we're going to use the edit image function. And this is a very, very powerful image AI model behind this that lets us do all kinds of stuff. So to start off, let's add a person holding a surfboard to this image right here. So to start, we need to first grab our editing view here. This outline basically decides what the AI sees. So we want to edit this image, right? And put a person with a surfboard here. So we need to make sure that the AI gets all the information it needs. So we need to send it the entire image. And let's just resize this so it's the same size as the image. And then we can simply write, for example, add a person holding a surfboard to the image. And we also set it to 2 here, so we're going to get back 2 images. There we go. We got our first image here. And as we can see, added a person holding a surfboard. Let's wait for our second image there as well. We got our second image. I actually like this one a little bit better. So I think we're going to continue working on this one. And we can do a lot of stuff now as we have our image to start off with. As the edit functionality is so versatile and can do a lot of things, we can do things such as change the time of day to noon. And it should modify the image so it looks like it's on the middle of the day. And let's see what it does. There we go. It's now broad daylight.